Hi there, this is Marlene Dinarius here from the Latinum Institute, and you can find Latinum at Patreon. There's a link below the video, or there should be, and you can also Google for latinum.org.uk. So we're looking now at the Janua Linguarum Reserata of John Amos Comenius, the introduction, and we are on paragraph 4. And let's continue on. I'm going to translate the Latin, and I'm going to also translate the English, because sometimes the English requires a bit of work as well, because it's a very old text. Num. 4. Vocabula, words, sunt, they are, notae rerum, the notes of things. They are the signs of things. Sorry, that's my phone there. Verbis, words, recte perceptis, being understood correctly. Verbis recte perceptis, this is ablative, absolute. Verbis recte perceptis, res percipiuntur, things are understood. So words being correctly understood or perceived, then things are understood. So if you know the words and understand them, then you know the things. Et utrumque, and both, discitur melius junctem, are learned better together. So you should learn the words with the objects, not in some abstract way. Quam separatim, rather than asunder. This is some kind of idea Krashen talks about, comprehensible input, that vocabulary should always be learned in context, not a new idea. Et utrumque discitur, and both are understood or learned, melius junctim, better together, quam separatim, than asunder, the Old English there, meaning separately. At, but, id est, it is, forsan, perhaps, peradventure in the Old English, difficile, hard, difficult. Facillimum, very easy, facillimum. Si eatur, if we were to go, ordine concinno, in this handsome order, or we would say in modern English, in this regular path. Si eatur ordine concinno, quo res, whereby things, digestae sunt, are digested, in the sense of the Reader's Digest, where you have a whole lot of little stories and snippets and stories and poems and things, organized with a table of contents and an index. That sense of digest. Quo res digestae sunt in se ipsis, whereby things are in themselves ranked, as he has it there. Lubentiaque adsit, and there be a willing mind, that you want to really do this. There be willingness, the que on the end here, and stuck on the end of the word. Lubentiaque adsit, et attentio sedula, and close attendance, meaning close attention, as we would say now, paying attention carefully. Aude, dare, me sequi, to follow me. Or as English says, dare but to follow me. Aude me sequi, dare to follow me. Traducam te, I will guide you, per omnia, through everything. Ostendamque tibi, and will show you, will show to you literally, and will show you res singulas, several things, individual things, ibi, there, ubi sunt, where they are, et appellabo sic, and I will name them thus, I will term them so, quomodo appellandae sunt, as they are to be termed. In other words, I will give them the names that they are supposed to have. So that's where we will stop and continue on in the next little video. You can find my work at latinum.org.uk, and I hope you found this little video of some use. Bye.